Hi, Igoodsgh here. We're doing a quick unboxing of the iPhone XsMax. This is the gold color 256GB. Note that you can no longer buy this brand new anywhere here in Ghana. This was bought through Amazon. So first look out for the green pull tab. Then you're going to pull this up. With that done, we now have access inside the box. Let's just put the rubber away and let's see what we have inside the box. Now, inside the box, we have the pamphlet. So the pamphlet you can see has designed by Apple in California, and then inside you're greeted with the hello. It shows you how to use the device, how to turn it on, off, and all that. And then you also have the warranty guide and what to look out for and a few things. And then we have the Apple stickers. Always look out for the Apple stickers, it's very important. And then we have the SIM ejector too, and that is what we find inside. Now this is the XsMax, which Apple no longer makes anymore. Like I said, we had to order this through Amazon. So we've turned this on. Let's see what we have inside the box. This is the big box. So it comes with a 3-pin charger head, as you can see, and then we also have the earpiece. This is the lightning earpiece. That's it. And then we also have the USB to lightning cable, sorry guys. And then we just peel the rubber off it. You can see that this phone is no longer being sold brand new here in Ghana. You cannot buy a brand new one. This is just a quick unboxing to show you guys how it looks like and what to look out for in case you're buying one. We're going to do a full review soon. So guys, thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.